Yes, sir. What's good, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. It's your boy Upper Class, and if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Today we've got some new Ethiopian music by Teddy Afro. You know what I'm saying? Dastal. Teddy Afro is a very, very famous Ethiopian rapper. You know, he's known across Ethiopia and diaspora. So big ups to him, man. Let's get straight to it, man. You already know what it is. By the way, the name of this album is called Etorika. I like the name. I like that name. It has a big meaning. I'm not gonna lie, I like the instruments. I like the style, you know. He's very traditional with it, you know. Obviously, guys, let me know in the comment section what's going on here. I would really love to see the music video. Honestly. I would honestly love to see the music video.
What's
But I'm not gonna lie, there's a whole team of people that are just involved in producing this 7-minute beat. My brother, like you got saxophone, you got the saxophone, you got the lyrics, you got the mastering, you got the keyboard. It's a lot of shit, man. The time they take to make these albums is insane. I think he's really a pioneer. Like, he's the face of Ethiopia, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the way I just see, he's definitely the face of Ethiopia, man. Like, on everything. And you know, this music targets every single one, like from 18 to damn near 60. You know what I mean? He's an OG at this shit. So I see why, man. Big up Ethiopia, man. And big up Teddy Afro. You guys know the vibes. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.